All right, let's take a start with Ielts speaking part 1. I'm going to ask you some questions. You got to give simple to the point answers but use variety of words, ideas and speak fluently. So, let's start. How often do you eat chocolate?
Well, actually, I take chocolates not even once in a month. There are several reasons for that. As I have some obesity issues, that is the thing that I always avoid eating chocolates. But whenever I get some chance or I'll overcome these kind of issues, then I would definitely love to take even on daily basis.
All
Love to
right.
take chocolate on even
Okay,
daily
so you can
basis.
say to maintain my obesity, I love
Yes.
to eat chocolates. If I don't eat chocolates, I'll be slimmer, so I don't want to be slimmer. Okay, that's good, very good. What is your favorite flavor or what is your favorite chocolate and why?
Well, I'm very fond of Cadbury peanuts, and the reason is that I love the that feeling of cracking nuts in my mouth. So these are basically the nuts that fascinate me a lot about this chocolate. So to
Okay,
answer your question, Cadbury peanut is my favorite one.
well done, very good. So, second time, in order to say favorite one, you say I love the most or I'm obsessed with this, I admire the most. Use a variety,
Okay.
okay? Let's go on. Is chocolate expensive in your country?
Well, I think it varies. If you go for procuring some foreign brand chocolate, then definitely they will cost you more than as compared to the local brands. So it varies from the demand as well.
Okay, it,
For the
it
demand.
varies from brand to brand. If you buy local chocolates, they are
Yes.
inexpensive,
And it's
economical.
also due to the quality of that chocolate that the prices vary.
Okay, when was the last time you ate a chocolate?
Although I don't remember exactly, because the thing that I'm 100% sure about is that I have been very fond of eating chocolates and candies since my childhood. So, to answer your question, I think I would have taken it at some early age.
This is very good. Would have taken it shows that you know all these things, right? Good job. Keep it up like this,
Thank you.
okay? Let's go on with you. The topic is celebrity. And my first question is who is your favorite celebrity in your country?
Well, my favorite
Can you
celebrity.
speak louder, please?
Yeah.
And come closer to the mic.
Okay. My favorite celebrity in Pakistan is.
So
I'm
you
so
should be
sorry.
clear about it. My favorite celebrity is Atif Aslam. He is a very popular singer. My favorite celebrity is Rahat Fateh Ali Khan. Something like that. Come, you should have to answer.
Okay.
It's not that we are having a reality test. Yeah.
In your country, is this specifically we
You,
should
you're
have
going
an
to talk about
answer?
your country, exactly.
All right. Um, all right. My favorite celebrity in my country is Rahat Fateh Ali Khan. He is actually a very popular singer, not in my country, but all over the world. We love to, like, I'm so sorry. I love to hear his qualities sometimes. He sings so well as.
Okay. All right, let's go on. Do you like any foreign celebrities? Foreign.
Yes, I do like. Some of belongs to Australia, and some of them belongs to South
Belong to?
belong to New Zealand as well. As well as I love to go to Dubai, and there are so many celebrities over there in Arfa. So I love to see their
Okay, that is fine.
concerts and
Just you need to organize your answer. There should be
okay
proper beginning,
and ending,
elaboration, and ending of
ending.
your answer. Let's go on.
Okay.
Would you like to become a celebrity in the future?
I don't like to be. I would not prefer to be a celebrity in the future. I love to be a simple, quiet, peaceful life and the life of a commoner.
Okay, all right, let's move on. Do you think we should respect famous people's privacy?
Of course, we should respect famous people's privacy because they have their own lives and the privacy as well. If we do something like that, so it will affect their performances as well as it invades their privacy life.
Okay, how do celebrities influence their fans?
They usually nowadays it's social media activities century you can say. So everybody's would love to get updated with their celebrities, what they are doing, where they are going, what they are having to eat, food, doing playing or everything. So they always or usually update their fans by what are they, by
Yes,
their moves.
so this is how they influence their fans.
Their fans.
Your language is good. Just overcome this confusion, okay? Don't
Oh,
worry.
I'm really-
Just relax. Look outside. The golfers are playing golf and all that. Just
Actually-
relax, okay? Yeah. All right. Thank you very much. All
I'm
the
also a
best.
teacher.
Don't worry.
Thank
This
you very
happens.
much.